Dear Mom, I came to you with soiled hands, filled with hatred and bitterness. I was stubborn, yet you welcomed me. You groomed me, prayed for me, and you took away the pain and bitterness. You were patient with me. You had confidence that I would become a great person one day. You strengthened me, taught me how to fight and do well. I may not be where you want me to be, but I will get there. I just want to take advantage of your special day, your birthday, to remind you how special you are, the impact you have made in my life, the changes you have brought. I'm not the same person I was. You have molded me. May your birthday be filled with joy, the kind of joy you bring to other people's lives. Happy birthday, Mom.